Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Amberkey Undetectable cryptocurrency composite wallet with 24 seed phrase storage. Yeah, this is a very unique thing. I mean, usually we are talking about metal storage, but when it comes to travel, then this style has definitely a huge advantage, because we all know, especially when it comes to air travel, then we have these metal detectors and maybe they want to see it and then they ask questions and they can see your words, and that's not going to happen with these things. If you want to have your wallet information with you all the time or so, I mean, you can also store it somewhere. I mean, it's definitely very, very durable. This could be the thing for you. Very innovative thing. I've never seen this before, so let's give it a try and take out everything what we need. Let's see what we get here. Very comprehensive set. By the way, of course, the end result will be waterproof, shockproof, chemically resistant, scratch resistant, dust proof, and dirt proof, of course. And so here we have everything. We have the tray which will cover or like contain the end result. Here we have two cards, so if you do anything wrong, you have a second one, but I mean, doesn't really matter. If you do something wrong, you could also strike it out and rewrite it, definitely no problem. Or you could use your own card. I mean, technically you could use any kind of paper which has a sticker in the back, which definitely would be much better, but this is the easiest thing. Then we get this nice writing pen here. It's a sharp tip, so easy fits for this. And then we have the resin here which we'll use, and the measuring or mixing cup, and then we have also two gloves. The whole process will take a couple of minutes for preparation and then 24 hours to get fully dry. And so we start now with the 24 words seed phrase here, one word after each other. By the way, this is of course just a sample which I generated with the BIP 39 code, so it's definitely not suggested to use this one here. Just use the one which you get from your wallet or your app or wherever you store your crypto. Really important here is the word order. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 12, and then it continues to 13 up to 24. With a lot of the online forms, we have it left, right, left, right, left, right. So just be a little bit careful with that. And so I'm finished here, and you can see that even the longer words have been fitting easily. So what I highly recommend, to put this original on the side and then use this again here online to verify if you can read that and if everything is all right and no errors are on this sheet. And after it's verified, let it dry for 20 minutes, and then we remove the tape here from the left top. That's the easiest way here. We remove the protection and then we put it here inside. Just properly align it here and then push it down and make sure everything is sticking nicely. And now, of course, the most difficult part, we remove this protection here from the resin, and then we put on the gloves. We don't need the gloves because it's dangerous stuff. It would be just a little bit difficult to remove some residue, or if you cause a little bit of a mess from your hand, so it's much easier to use the gloves from the beginning. And so we break off the tip here, the protection. So it's open. Of course, we have to put it in an upright position for this, and then we pour everything inside here, and now we stir it for 2 minutes, so everything is nicely mixed. And now it's time to pour it into this tray here, nice and evenly. Actually, you can do this right here in the middle, because it will then spread out nicely. Of course, you have to make sure that we have a level surface here, and then just wait and see how this will happen. It's really nice. We pour everything out and then we just wait for a little bit. You can see it's filling up the whole area nicely. So it has arrived here at the bottom. Now let's see at the top here. At the beginning I have been a little bit worried, but it looks like it's definitely also filling up here, so I don't have to help. Absolutely no problem. We are close to be finished. Okay, the gap is getting smaller and smaller, and now the whole job is actually finished, and we just have to wait 24 hours till everything is fully dry. Don't touch it, and don't put it in an area where somebody else, especially children, could touch it. Don't put it in a dusty area or so. Just leave it on a totally leveled surface. And so here's the result after 2 days, and you can see we definitely have huge success. Everything works, it's sturdy, it's hard, it's solid. There's nothing you can do, and because of the resin we'll almost be able to resist almost everything. So that's really positive thing. So I would say definitely end result exactly what we wanted. This is something which I can keep for lifetime. Nothing will ever happen. On the other side, I want to mention 3 problems or 3 things which I have done wrong. And so I want to prevent that you are also doing same errors. First thing, I didn't push the sticker down enough. So you can see there are some spots where the sticker is not really having full contact to the outside shell, and hence there was some air trapped here inside. And when I put the resin inside, after a couple of hours, there were some bubbles coming up. I hope you can see that. I think it's just in 2 spaces, so no big deal, of course. Then the second problem, I left it in an area where I was still working, and so I touched it accidentally while it was still wet, and so I pushed it a little bit to the side. You can see that here. There was absolutely no problem. It went back to absolutely flat. So here inside there's nothing to see, just here on the border. And also I've been able to remove the resin with a lot of rubbing alcohol from my fingers, no problem. But still, I highly recommend to do this job only in the area where you want to leave it for the next at least 24 hours. Imagine you fill it up with the liquid resin, and then you want to transport it to an area and then you flip it on the floor. Yeah, that's definitely not good. So only do it there where you want to leave it. And also you have to make sure that you are really using a flat, like a real leveled surface, not like me. I have been putting this in the garage and I thought I have a level surface. Yeah, I did definitely not. You can see it's lower here and a little bit higher here. Yeah, I mean, nothing really happened. I mean, I still can use it. You can see it's very solid. It's almost impossible to break this thing, no matter how much I push. Yeah, really good end result. Even I did some minor mistakes. So I would say from my side, full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.